Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I will guide you through how to make Notion widget. So it is basically super easy. All you need to do is simply head over to the widget store by Notion. So you can see I have it over here, widgets and tool. This is on the Notion marketplace, and once you simply get that, you have a lot of widgets in here, and even you can reposition them. You can see you have charts, you have icons. So let me just open any of these, and basically you can see in the widgets we have this Pomodoro, and we have some other timer based and many more. So if you want to make codes or have some other Notion widgets, you can see in here we have all of these. We can expand them, and we can simply customize them and simply use them onto our workflow as well. Let me just go back, and here you can see the widget is actually available. You can see its URL as well. So to access this, you simply need to head over to its link. Let me just open any other one. So you can see we have this Pomodoro, and this is how this looks. If you start, it is going to be starting. It is interactable as well. And yeah, so basically this is how easy it is to add Notion widgets onto your Notion account, and I hope this helps. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, guys, and also share it with your friends. For more tips and tricks, you can simply follow us, and see you in the next video.